Hey guys, sorry the lighting's bad. I'm outside for this one because it'll be a little bit wet. We are going to do an experiment about pesticides. Now you probably know what a pesticide is. Many people use them so that bugs or small animals, you spray it on plants or food that you're growing, and it either kills the bugs or the rodents, or it doesn't. It makes them not want to touch it. But a lot of farmers use it to spray their food so that they don't have bugs eat all of their food that they're selling to stores and things. So the pesticides can be good because it makes it so that there's more usable fruit and vegetables and other things. But what could maybe be the bad caused by pesticides other than you're killing bugs and rodents? What could be some negative side effects to that? So this is what I would like you to put in your science notebook, because we're going to do the little experiment out here. Yeah, you can help spray in just a sec. Okay, I've got a little helper, not Cricket, because she doesn't have opposable digits, so I don't think she can use a spray bottle. Okay, can you see this? So up at the top you are going to write pesticides, okay? Good or bad. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, pesticides, good or bad, okay? You can have more than one answer. Which spheres, like we did in the other ones, which spheres are affected, okay? And lastly, are there solutions for it? If pesticides are bad, what solution would you personally suggest? Think of something that maybe would work. Okay, so this is the experiment. You see I've got a little plant here. Yeah, you're gonna help me spray. There is some rocks and soil in here where the plant, this represents the ground, right? Now there's holes in the bottom of this cup. That's because every time it rains or something is watered, that water filters down through the ground, and it goes into what's called aquifers, which is all the water in the ground, okay? So first we're going to have a little rainstorm. So my helper here is going to spray. Okay, put the food coloring down for a sec. Here's our rainstorm. So he's going to make it storm on the plant really good. Okay, go ahead. Yep, heavy rain, plant's getting all wet. Okay, a little bit more, a little bit more. Yep, this is our rainstorm. Thunder, lightning. Okay, all right. All right, so now where do you think the water goes, all that water? Okay, it doesn't stay on the plant. It goes down through the soil, and if you can see that there's water in the bottom of this, that's because it filters down through the ground and the soil and the rocks and ends up in the ground, or what we call aquifers, right? Now this is good. We like groundwater because it obviously helps our plants. The roots are able to absorb them. It helps the earth immensely to have rainstorms. So now let's try something else. Do you have, okay, so my assistant he's going to put some pesticide in the water.
I'm Finley.
Okay, Finley's gonna help me. Now, why are we putting pesticide in here? Well, like I just said, a lot of people use them to keep bugs away, to kill bugs that are on plants. So he's going to put pesticide in here. Okay, a few more squeezes. All right, take it out. Let's have a look. Okay, yeah, that's quite a bit. I think we're good. Okay. So now we've got some green pesticide in there. We're going to do the same thing. We're going to have a thunderstorm. Now this time, there's pesticide that is on, we're going to pretend like the pesticide's already on the plants, okay? So we're going to have a little rainstorm, and I'm going to do it over here so that, okay, well I can't talk to her right now. I'm doing a video. We're going to do it over here so it doesn't get everywhere. So I'm going to spray, 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 thunderstorm, 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 thunderstorm. Woo! Woo, getting all over the plant.
I want to do it.
Okay, you sprayed a few times. Boom, crash, thunderstorm. Okay, a couple more times. Okay. Thank you. Okay, so now the pesticides were already on the plants, then we had a thunderstorm. So what do you think happens to that pesticide that's on the plant? So let's have a look. Okay, so the water has filtered down through and into the groundwater, and now our groundwater has pesticide mixed into it because it's washed off the leaves and the plants and it's gone into the ground. So why is this good or bad? And I want you to, in your science notebook, also write down which spheres are affected and how. Okay, how would the pesticide in the ground affect either the biosphere or the geosphere or the atmosphere? What do you think? Okay, and we'll sign off for this one. And you remember, you will have to show a picture of your science notebook to be graded to your teacher. So make sure you write down your predictions. Okay, thanks.